So, hello again. As I said in the last video, we will make the checker, the Adelson, sorry, checker. It will be fast. I see how we can do this, so let's jump right into it. So cube, say 0.5. It's fine. Let's get there. Array. Let's say 6. Another array. 0 for there and -1 there. Okay. Tab again if you did not know. Control L. Okay. So new, we want a red, a dark red, let's say 0.1 for there. Create another one. Up. Say 1 for this one. 1 for this one. Sorry. Yep. Let's select the one which fits the look of a checker. Okay, with shift of course and left click to select everything. Now Control L and assigned. Now it's assigned, but we need a lamp. I'll take a spot. G, click, Control. Let's go at the top view, Control again. Move with G again. So let's put that to, yeah, maybe 1000, I don't know. For the angle, let's say 90. Yeah, there is no specularity, so we have to get rid of this white aspect, so let's do that. Specular. Okay. No, G. S to scale. Let's put a blue to this one. Yes. No. That's the shadow a bit. So Shift D, of course, move it. R again. Let's reduce this one. Let's put 0.1. Maybe let's reduce that again. Maybe that's something like 0.2. Let's get rid of this one. Okay, so now we have to cheat a bit for this one, of course. So what I'm going to do, let's get there. Press the home key if you want it to zoom in. Let's say wait, is it a lighter one again? Yeah, so one looking light, so let's take this one. So select it, Ctrl L to select all, P, selection, and we are going to assign an emission shader this time. Okay, so you see that those two ones look almost the same, so what we are going to do is decrease this light. No, it's actually the world light, so and the illusion work. Those two ones look identical, but it's actually fitting this color, and I can prove it. So let's go in top view, and you see that when I put them side to side, they are exactly the same color. So yeah, you have to cheat a bit, you don't really have the choice. I mean, no, I have the choice, wait. Yeah. I mean, yes, I can do that, but it will still follow the light, I mean, the luminance of the world is doing. So you see that after that, it doesn't work. I could also do it for this one, so but it doesn't work if we want to compare. You see, it's really when you're doing an emission shader that it can work. Still, I don't see where it could be useful, except if you're trying to, maybe in a video game, trick the player. Yeah, trick the player when you ask him maybe to place a piece of a puzzle of the same color at the same place as the first piece, and you play on the light, you know, to trick his eyes, and he is not aware of that at all, even though it's kind of a vicious way to play, because it relies on the lights. This one is technically the same color as this one, as long as it's in the shadow, so it would be a bit silly from the developer to do that. Just saying, so Yeah. If we really want to compare, we have to really put it there. Ah yeah, and to make the cube move this way, so to snap on the grid there, you enable this magnet. It's Shift Tab also. It's kind of it's really dark there. You know what? Let's remake that one. Yeah, no, it has some limits. Yeah, it's because those ones are really dark, so let's brighten that a bit. Say 3. Yeah, now we can make the light, the light match. Yeah, it matched pretty well. And now you can see that the illusion still works. We still have the feeling that this one is the same color as this one, but once you move it, not the case. I duplicated it. Yeah. So that's all. That's it for this video. It wasn't a long one. I don't know how to end this video. See you in the next one where we will see the beta effect. So we have actually some what we could interpret as lights, let's say, and a light is actually being switched off at this place, I mean at this specific location, and another one is switched on there. That's why you have this feeling that this is moving, but it's not moving. It's actually just dot being displayed and another one being erased. That's why it feels like it's the snake. This one will be pretty easy too, it's not hard, so... And it can be cool for maybe displaying something on the screen, you know, on a very... I would say... on a very pixelated screen with, I don't know, pixel of 1 centimeters. I don't know. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it as a curiosity, because there is nothing really practical in reality. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye!